Before my hair started thinning, I definitely had more confidence with it because I had more options as far as styling went. I started noticing my hair was thinning towards the end of high school, but thin hair does run in my family, so I knew it might be inevitable at some point. I've tried a lot of solutions for my thinning hair between supplements, topicals, you name it, I've tried it all. I wish more people understood when it comes to thinning hair how difficult and how taxing it can be on your self-confidence when it comes to just a simple moment like getting ready for your day. The first time I put on the topper, I definitely felt more of a confidence boost just because that section of my hair that is so thin was immediately concealed. My initial reaction when I saw myself in the hair topper was that my hair looked a lot thicker, it looked pretty, it blended with my hair very naturally. What I love most about the hair topper is how blendable it is and also how lightweight it is. You cannot feel it on your head. Right now I'm wearing a hair topper and the halo extensions, and I actually really like the combination of the two because I do have very thin ends as well. So although I have thinning up top, my ends are thin, so it's nice to have that extra volume on the bottom and on the top, and they blend so nicely together. My advice to other women going through thinning is to really try to play around with other options out there because I think the biggest stigma is that you don't have options, and you actually do.